Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lip gloss. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification button, give it a big thumbs up, and the description is down below. So first I have gel, some oil, my glitter, my white diamond glitter, and this sparkle rose color. So then you want to grab your gel, and you want to start stirring it. About 60 seconds. Takes kind of a minute. So then you can start adding in your oil. Just a little bit at a time. Stir for a little long. Takes a minute to combine together before you add the colors. I don't like when it takes that long. It's like, when are we gonna add the colors? But okay, wait a minute or two. Very silent. And you have to make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl. The more oil you add, the more lip gloss you can make. It's better if you just sit it down and stir it. Because you don't have to hold it in your hand a long time. Your hand gets very tired, but you do have to hold the sides of it so it doesn't tilt over and everything spills out. So right now I have a lot. So first we're going to add this sparkle rose color. Pretty color. It's pretty pinkish purple combined together. Pretty, isn't it? You don't want to add a lot of the glitter. Do you guys think it's pretty? Comment down below if you think it's a pretty color or it's like a color of your type. This is my first video. I'm doing this. I could smooth it out. Those edges. The spatulas help a lot. I got them from Amazon. Want to make sure there's no clumps in it of the color. You have to check it to make sure there's no clumps and it's smooth. Right now, mine is looking pretty fine. I want to see it after. I got it from Amazon. And I have the cap that goes with it. I have them all over here. So you want to take spatula. Before you like add it in, you want to scrape the sides so you can get a lot. Then you want to fold it like a taco and pour the color in. I just mash it down in there a little bit. Then you take the cap, put it on there, turn it on. If like it's the edges that are messed up, you would take a paper towel and clean it. And then you have it. I want to take my gloves off so I could put my label on. Everything doesn't have to be perfect, but you just gotta make sure, and that's the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite color is. That's the end of the